Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is Trump's Liberation Day tariffs. President Donald Trump has introduced a new tariff policy to boost the US economy by reducing its reliance on foreign goods. He has named April 2 as Liberation Day, marking the US break from dependency on import. The tariffs include a 25% charge on automobile imports, which will impact countries like Germany, Mexico, and Canada. The policy aims to generate $600 billion annually for the US economy, promoting local industries and addressing trade imbalances. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April, while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501. Impact of new tariffs. The tariffs are likely to lead to trade conflicts with allied nations like the European Union, which may retaliate. Global supply chains could face disruptions and inflation might rise as a result of increased cost of imported goods. In the US, some sectors may benefit from reduced foreign competition, while others could face higher costs. Consumer goods prices might increase due to the higher cost of imports, potentially leading to reduced purchasing power. Effects on India and other countries. India may face significant tariff hikes on several sectors. Shrimp, dairy, and processed foods could face tariffs of up to 28.2%. Pharmaceuticals and jewelry might see tariff increases of more than 10%. Electronics could be subject to tariffs rising by up to 7.2%. Some sectors like petroleum, minerals, and garments are expected to remain largely unaffected by the tariff changes. Indian imports to the US may become less competitive, impacting certain industries heavily reliant on US markets. Now it's time for the practice question. Which country will face a 25% tariff on automobile exports to the US? China, Canada, Germany, both B and C. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.